Hey everybody, it's Jerry, and this is my backyard. Look at that. I'm afraid to walk over in it. I saw a snake earlier, and I just really, truly do not want to go over in this jungle and get bit. Now if y'all look at my last live stream video near the end, you'll see this yard. This sucker 2 weeks ago was high, don't get me wrong, but it was nothing like this. This is crazy. Damn you, Ron. Damn you, Ron. My stepson, he cut the front yard, but he hasn't cut this back. He couldn't, I guess. My mower, I don't think, will go through this crap. I have no idea how the hell I'm going to cut it. I've got no clue how I'm going to cut this. Oh my Lord. And here's my front yard. Like I said, he already cut it. There's hardly a bare spot in my yard this year. Last year, my yard was full of big brown spots. I have still a few brown spots, but it is nothing compared to the way it was last year. The ground's kind of soft now, and the grass is really thick. It's a whole lot thicker than it ever has been. It's really crazy. I don't really know how to go about explaining it. But I tell you what, oh Ron from the Green Wizard's Guide, he knows what the hell he's talking about, that's for sure. If you got a shitty lawn, I tell you what, the solution is in the book. No doubt about it. My tree here, this one right here, in particular tree right there, that's a pear tree. Me and the wife has been trying to grow for like 4 years. Look how bushy that son of a bitch is now. I understand you probably haven't ever seen it until now, but it's never done too good at all. It's never done too good at all, and that is no shit about it. I just can't get over how good this yard's looking. And I didn't even have to cut it this time. Yeah. It had been holding a lot of water. It still holds a little water, but it's nowhere near as bad as it used to be. So I'm very happy. Not as happy as the wife is, because I'm the one that has to always tend to this shit. But still, very happy. And there's my pineapple. Check it out. I'm growing a pineapple in West Virginia. A West by Golly pineapple. Ain't that some crap? I can't wait to try that out either. Hell yeah. Anyway, y'all, I'm out of here. I just wanted to show my yard and say thank you to Ron from the Green Wizard's Guide, the author of the Green Wizard's Guide. And that is results. That is honest to God results. Undisputable results. You don't like it, then fuck you. Because I don't care. my yard. All right, I'm out of here. Y'all take it easy. I got stuff to do.